Illinois has three tax problems. Most states have one, a few have two. Illinois has assembled all three simultaneously, and for the high net worth North Shore family, the combination is now difficult to rationalize. The first, income tax 4.95% flat on every dollar of income at every level. No graduated relief, no deduction for federal taxes paid. It scales directly with what you earn. The second, property tax in Winnetka, in Kenilworth, in Lake Forest. Annual property tax bills of $40,000, $60,000, $80,000 on luxury properties are not exceptional. They are routine. The North Shore homeowner has been paying them long enough that they have become invisible, which is precisely when they deserve the most scrutiny. The third, the estate tax. Illinois imposes an estate tax on estates above $4 million at rates up to 16%. $4 million, not the federal $13.6 million, $4 million. The family with a $5 million estate, not unusual by North Shore standards, already has an Illinois estate tax liability. It is not a planning hypothetical. It is a current obligation. Florida has none of these. Zero state income tax, zero estate tax at any level, zero inheritance tax, homestead exemption up to $50,000 off assessed value, increases capped at 3%. For a $1 million earner establishing Florida domicile, $49,500 in income tax savings. Year 1, before the property tax differential, before the estate tax advantage that compounds with every year of residency. Now consider what that domicile buys. 1 hour north of Palm Beach on an Atlantic barrier island. 2 high-rise buildings on the entire island. 62.7% cash buyer rate, the highest in the United States. $346 million in single-family transactions first 5 months of this year. The buyer base here made deliberate capital decisions. It looks like the North Shore. It thinks like the North Shore. And the clubs, Johns Island, Windsor, Grand Harbor, Orchid Island, operate with the same philosophy as Shore Acres or Onwensia. They do not advertise their memberships because they do not need to. Cleveland Clinic Indian River Hospital, with the full Cleveland Clinic system behind it. At Vero Premier Properties, we work with the top Coldwell Banker global luxury agents in Lake Forest, Winnetka, Kenilworth, and Chicago's Gold Coast to sell your Illinois property at full market value. We execute your Vero Beach acquisition with 35 years of expertise and $1.2 billion in sales. Our financial concierge desk coordinates domicile timing, estate planning introductions, insurance, and every element of the transition. I am Vance Brinkerhoff, 7729-133426. Ben Breek is at 7727139455. Florida, EastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. 3 tax problems. 1 address. Live well with Coldwell.